Okay, what is this halftone shake? The glow, the moving bars, the insane shake? This edit has absolutely no business going this hard. And the best part, it's actually stupidly easy to make in After Effects. So today we're recreating this exact Jaws style edit from scratch. And yes, I'm giving you the project file too. But there's a tiny problem. You gotta get this video to 100 likes. That's literally it. So let's cook. All right, first things first. Open After Effects and create a one-to-one composition. I'm using a square comp because we're making this specifically for social media. Now import your clip, drag it into the timeline, and let's start making this thing look illegal. Add S, Blurmo curves for zoom. Copy my graph. Follow the steps. Add a adjustment layer. Follow the steps. Copy my settings. Ease the keyframes. Copy my graph. Add another adjustment layer. Add halftone. Follow the steps. Copy my settings. Add another adjustment layer. Add wrap, chroma. Follow the steps. Copy my settings. Copy my settings. Refine it as per your edit. Ease the keyframes. Copy my graph. Follow the steps. Add fisheye lens. Copy my settings. Ease the keyframes. Copy my graph. Make a solid layer. For the glowing bars, add CC Jaws. Copy my settings. Ease the keyframes. Copy my graph. Follow the steps. Add deep glow. Copy my settings. Follow the steps. Add BCC ripple dissolve. From this to this. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That kind of cooks. And hopefully you actually learned something from this instead of just watching me click buttons for 30 seconds. But remember, I'm dropping the full project file of this complete edit once we hit 500 likes. So if you want the entire AE project, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.